Hello and welcome. In today's video, I have a Sprouts haul. This is what you get for $100 living here in Southern California. It's definitely not a budget-friendly haul. This is just what I genuinely buy, and it's normally organic and higher, more premium type items. I will make a budget-friendly one in the future, but this is just to give you an idea of pricing and some really good food that they have at Sprouts. So I'm going to start off with these chips. So they did have a promo. I think it was when you buy two, they were cheaper. So I got two of these guys. These are the white corn chips with sea salt. They're organic. Mostly, actually, everything that I get is organic. So that will make everything a little bit more expensive just by default. So I got two of these. I like these because the ingredients are simple. It's just oil, salt, corn. And then I did get these gluten-free mini pretzels. And the nutritional facts, in case you were wanting those. And these are just like a good snack, maybe with like hummus or any kind of thing there. So that's those. And then I did get this barista almond milk. So this is going to be like your typical almond milk that you get from a cafe, but a fraction of the cost. So I got this. I've not tried this yet, but I will let you know. And that's the nutritional label. You know, see that. And then I got these little oranges, just, you know, typical mandarins, organic again. And then there's these, or this, which is your grass-fed spreadable Irish butter. So this is like a copycat of the Irish butter. I forgot what it's called. I forgot, but it's way more expensive. The Sprouts brand is just as good. And I like that the ingredients are very simple. It's just butter, olive oil, water, sea salt. Pretty simple there. So that's great. And then I got 3 Granny Smith apples. These are, again, organic. So far everything is majority organic. These are not organic, but they're really good. These are brioche buns. So they are hot dog buns, and that's the nutritional if you're looking at that. It's a French recipe. These guys are so good. They're very buttery, really good flavor. And I mean, they're not super healthy, but they're not, I mean, 150 calories if you compare it to like an Oro wheat one where they're really big and fluffy. It's actually lower calorie. And then of course, to go with them, I go for the organic turkey dog. I don't eat red meat, so I stick with you know, turkey, chicken, fish. So these are, again, really good ingredients. So those go with those. And then I got a whole bunch of Gala apples. And I love Gala. They are, again, organic. So good. I'm going to have a recipe coming up for a salad, but it's like a gourmet salad. It's going to be with apple or pear, and it has goat cheese in it. So if you're into gourmet salads, then you'll definitely like that. It's going to have either apple or pear. And then I saw these. This was random. I just saw it, and I like had to have them. Look how beautiful this is. So these are organic sweet baby broccoli. Broccoli? Yeah. I kept thinking broccolini because it kind of looks like broccolini, but it's not. I got 2 of those. And then I got these Siete potato chips. So these are Siete everything. All their stuff is always really expensive. So these were on sale, but they were still expensive. I think they were like $4.50. We'll look at the receipt at the end, but I got 2 of those. These are really good. They're cleaner ingredients, no bad oils or anything like that. Then I got a raw honey, just typical raw honey. And then I got some bone broth. I was trying to figure out which one would be better. They had the kettle and fire one, but it's like $10 for a little can. So I figured I would try these guys first. So I will see which one I like better, but this one's the Pacific Foods bone broth chicken. And salted. It has some ingredients. It has some vegetables in it as well. So maybe this one will have more flavor, but this one I think is more simple, the ingredients. Let's see. This one is organic chicken stock, chicken flavor. So yeah, ingredients are less, but I'll see which one I like more and try to incorporate that more because it's good for collagen, it's good for your bones, your skin, all that stuff. And then I got this salad. This is going to be part of the salad that I'm going to be making with the apples and the goat cheese. And this will last like 2 weeks. This stuff doesn't go bad very easily. But it's just a big thing. I could do anything with this. I could do it with eggs or chicken or any kind of meat of any sort. It's really good. So it's a universal thing, but it's a definitely big container. And then I think the last thing, I think I said the garlic already. Hopefully I did say the garlic already. But if I didn't, this is the minced garlic. And this one again is organic. And it's just for when you don't have a lot of time. You just have garlic that's minced and ready to go. This is a little shallot. And I'm gonna use this to make some dressings. And that's it. How could I have forgotten? I forgot this little pear over here. This cute pear. So yes, I forgot to add him, but yeah, he's gonna be part of my salad or just for snacking. This is again an organic pear and he is part of the haul. I'm sorry. So that's the whole haul. So we got 2 chips, pretzels, almond milk, we have mandarins, bread, hot dogs, the butter, shallot, garlic, all these apples, these 2 chips, that big thing of salad, 2 bone broths, which these are normally expensive, but the honey, the 2 broccolinis, and then I brought my own bags. If you live in Seattle, I hate you because I love Seattle. I wish I could live there, but I don't. But anyway, I have this bag and it reminds me of Seattle, but this is the receipt and the total is $100. So that's about it. So this is the haul. This is what $100 gets you in Southern California. If you like the video, make sure to like the video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe. I will have more cooking videos, hauls, all food things, and of course, cats. This is not part of the haul either, even though she's in the plastic bag.